In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic CCTV effect in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the Effects panel, open the toolbox, then choose Effects. From there, drag and drop the CCTV effect onto your clip. Now, open the inspector and click on the Effects tab. Turn on the Record Light On option to activate the blinking red LED, just like a real security camera. You can also adjust the scanlines and change their angle for a more authentic look. To give the footage a color camera feel, increase the saturation slightly. Then, fine-tune the noise size, noise strength, and blur size to get the exact aesthetic you want. Under the Text Controls section, you can customize the text that appears on screen, including changing the font type, size, and color. If you want to add motion or simulate changes over time, you can use keyframes to animate various settings for a more dynamic effect. Now let's take the CCTV look even further with a subtle stop-motion style effect. Start by going to the Effects panel and select Open FX. In the search bar, type Stop Motion. Once it appears, drag and drop it onto your clip. Now, go to the inspector, and under the Effects tab, find the Open FX section. Change the frame repeat value to 2. This gives your footage a slight choppy motion. And that's it! Now you've got a clean CCTV effect using DaVinci Resolve.